Xiamen, a coastal city in East China's Fujian province, has been making great efforts in protecting and restoring the mangrove ecosystem along its coastlines, and notable progress has been made. Decades ago, the native mangroves in the city were once threatened by human activities such as reclamation, disorderly agriculture, and sewage. In the 1990s, Xiamen started to take measures to promote mangrove protection and restoration. In 2005, the municipal government organized a mangrove research team to cultivate mangrove seedlings at Xiamen Mangrove Park and then publicize its experience across the city. Now, Xiamen has an area of 85 hectares of mangrove forests. Meanwhile, mangrove belts have also been widely planted in the city's bait wetlands and urban parks. Thanks to the growing mangrove forests, which offer a favorable habitat for many species, the ecosystem in Xiamen has been gradually improved.
我们下潭尾的底栖生物种类实际上是当时据报道是只有20多种，那我们现在监测的结果是大概也接近60多种、70多种。另外，从鸟类的种类来说，实际上这个下潭尾红树林现在鸟类数量也接近达到了26个科，应该是60-70种。那之前呢，实际上是只有20-30种。